and I are getting ready to do an oil change on a 2018 Kia Optima. So we're gonna dive into this and show you how it's done. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is, remove your oil cap.
And we get 520 motor oil for it.
Yep, takes 520, and it's about 5 quarts. I think the exact is 4.8. That's what it's saying on the internet, but it should take about 5 quarts.
All right, so we got a cover here we're gonna take off. We're missing a couple of screws, a couple of 10s, but they're 10 millimeters.
It's just rusty. They're all 10 millimeter.
Okay, so we got a 17 millimeter socket here. Plug out. You see the seal washer on it. Didn't stick to the pan. That's good. This is probably going to get a little splash. It's hot. We'll get this thing draining down and we'll show you how we take the filter out. So we got a cap wrench that's going to fit on here, and it's a 80 millimeter.
80 mil?
Yeah. Thing's being stubborn.
There you go. Someone really wrenched that thing on.
Our gasket's nice and clean.
You want to catch this by hand.
Just going to snug this up. Again, it's a 17 millimeter. Okay, get that, wipe it all down nice and clean. So we took the oil filter off. We're checking our surface. It's nice and clean. We put some oil on the O-ring.
Now we're gonna yell that. See, it's a dirty oil. Oh, it's gonna go right in that motor and blow it up.
Yeah. Everybody's a critic. I can tighten this by hand. That's good. All right, we're gonna wire wheel up all of these bolts in here and then put a little never sees on them. I'm gonna slip the cover back in place. We're missing a couple. We'll try and get some. Okay. All right, so we got our 520 motor oil. And we're gonna start filling it up. And Tony said it takes 4.8, so we'll get 5 in there. And
Yeah, it'll take 5 quarts.
make sure everything's good for another year. So we haven't started it yet. And stick it and see where we are. So it's up just a whisker past the full mark here. So we're gonna start it and see where it is.
No leaks. Okay. Where are we at?
Okay, we're right at the mark, right there, perfect.
Yep.
That's where I wanna be.